Hi guys, here we are with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. We are looking at a 20 CFM water separator. That is part number 21999-0390. And we're doing this video to show you what to do, how to service it. So for example, if your float drain was purging air, that's because it's stuck in the up position. This happens over time when contaminants kind of gunk up that float drain, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, depending on the quality of your airstream. So we're just going to show you how to service a basic water separator. This could work for all sizes. So we'll unscrew it. Pull the tube. Okay, so what we're looking at, this is the wire mesh. Basically, to service this, you just need to unravel it. You're gonna wash it with warm soapy water and then ravel it back on. So we'll just unravel the steel mesh element. Now, depending on your air quality, this mesh might be dirty, oily, or it might not. So make sure to unscrew the bottom baffle for when you want to put the mesh back on. And now for the float drain, we just unscrew the bottom. This is the float drain. As you can see, there's some moisture, there might be some dirt and contaminants. If you're hearing that hissing noise, it's because the float drain is stuck in the up position. And that's better than it stucking down, because if it was stuck in the down position, that water would be pumping back up into your airstream. So if it is stuck, it'll be stuck up. So it'll just be purging air. So now we're gonna take this float drain, we're gonna go wash it with some warm soapy water, and then we're gonna put it back. Okay, so we have just washed the steel mesh element with warm soapy water. We wound it around tightly so that it's even with the baffles. The float drain, there's no need to take it apart. You just rinse this whole thing out with warm soapy water, dry it off, and now we're ready to reassemble. So we're gonna slide it up and snug it in. Screwing in the bottom baffle. And now the tube screws back in. This is where it's important to keep that steel mesh element as tight as you can. Just like that, nice and snug. Last but not least, our float drain just screws right back in. And now you're good to go. For more questions or inquiries, visit tsunami.us.com.